Well, I expect this is going to come as a big shock to everybody, but it's snowing again. First order of business is going to be to get gas in this truck, because it's been used for several snowstorms, and the gas light has been on for a while. So I'm going to get a little bit of a head start on this snowstorm. It's supposed to be about a foot forecasted. I would say we're probably 60% done now. I am going to make it so that the blushing bride can get out this morning and get to work for her commute without getting her dress shoes wet. And then I expect later in the day, once the snow quits, we'll have to do the driveway in its entirety. That was hard on stuff. All right, I've had my first ever failure on the SnowSport. The pin that goes up in the front end here that you pull to angle the blade sheared. I found it laying in the driveway, so that last bit of snow that I pushed, that loud bang, was the plow bumping into the front corner of the pickup. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop a hardened bolt through it and just keep on plowing. That should get us back in business to finish up here. I don't even know how many years we've been running this thing. That's the first failure I've ever had. Shearing one pin in, oh God, I don't even know how many years. I'm gonna call that normal wear and tear. Okay, back in business. That particular repair was about a 3 or 4 minute detour to go up to the little garage and dig around in the bolt tray. I'm not blaming the pin breaking on my oldest daughter hitting the boulder, but we did give this thing a couple of pretty good shots in the last week or so. And I guess I'm not all that easy on it sometimes either. It's, meant to be used, I guess is how I justify that. Still snowing pretty good. I think it's time to go in, have something to eat, and leave this. Deal with it when it stops. Do the last one once the snow quits. Oh, now look at them come out. Ready for breakfast now, huh? Okay, let's clean out their run and get them some fresh leaves. With all this starting and stopping, the battery just doesn't quite want to turn this over. We haven't been charging. We have to give it a little boost. A couple minutes on here is enough. why this tractor quit. We towed it down here, figuring I'd have to monkey with it, and it turns out it just had a loose electrical connection. It took just a little bit of fiddling around with stuff to figure out. That's why it was running rough and seemed like it was running out of gas. I thought maybe it had water in the fuel based on all the snow and ice, but it turns out it just needed an electrical connection tightened down and it had been back in business. But that's why you have backups, right? Just in case.